Freshscent 0.5-ounce bar soap. 100 little luxuries for travelers, hosts, and game-changing hospitality. Ever struggled to find the perfect travel-sized soap that balances quality and convenience? Tired of bulky bars that waste space or cheap options that irritate skin? Whether you're hosting guests, packing for travel, or assembling kits for charity, soap that's too large, harsh, or poorly packaged just doesn't cut it. Freshscent's 0.5-ounce bar soap is here to solve that age-old dilemma. Compact, vegan, and individually wrapped for hygiene, these bars combine practicality with premium ingredients. They're perfect for elevating your hospitality game, ensuring cleanliness, and creating a memorable impression with every lather. Freshscent's 0.5-ounce bar soaps offer the ideal blend of functionality and luxury. Each bar is individually wrapped in tamper-resistant packaging, ensuring freshness and extending shelf life. The vegan, vegetable-based formula uses natural palm oil, offering a gentle and effective cleanse for all skin types. With a subtle, unisex fragrance, these bars cater to diverse preferences, making them a versatile solution for hosts, hotels, and donation kits. Whether you're enhancing a guest experience or assembling toiletry kits for those in need, these soaps deliver reliability and sophistication in a small, travel-friendly package. These soap bars are meticulously designed with both quality and practicality in mind. Each bar weighs just 0.5 ounces, making them lightweight yet effective for body and face washing. The compact size is perfect for travel, hospitality, or gym bags. Cruelty-free and free of harmful additives, they're safe for adults and eco-conscious consumers alike. The sturdy, well-labeled cardboard packaging makes storage and distribution a breeze, whether you're running an Airbnb or donating in bulk. With a refreshing scent and superior cleansing properties, Freshscent delivers premium-grade quality in every bar. Why settle for subpar soap when Freshscent offers 100 bars of high-quality, skin-friendly luxury? The individually wrapped design eliminates waste and maintains hygiene, ensuring your investment stretches further. Ideal for hotels, short-term rentals, or charity distributions, these soaps provide a professional-grade experience at an unbeatable value. Their compact size means no wasted product, and their gentle formula reduces the need for separate facial cleansers. Whether you're gifting guests or simplifying your own travel routine, Freshscent saves time, money, and effort without compromising quality. From upscale heirlooms to charitable giving, Freshscent 0.5-ounce bar soap is the ultimate choice for those who care about presentation, practicality, and quality. These soaps cater to every need, offering skin-friendly cleansing, sustainable packaging, and a subtle fragrance that leaves a lasting impression. Don't let messy, bulky, or low-quality soaps ruin your plans. With Freshscent, you're investing in a product that's reliable, durable, and designed to make life easier, whether you're hosting guests, traveling, or making a difference in your community. Ready to step up your soap game? Freshscent's got you covered.